Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 1 Hand on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So open the Excel Chapter 1. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 1 hand on exercise 1 simulation exams. Click start. So Excel chapter 1 hand on exercise simulation exams. Click launch. So open the Excel chapter 1 simulation exam. Total question is 4. We move to the question number 1. Type the member type in cell A4. Select the cell A4 and press enter and type the member type and press enter. And select the cell A1 and then spell check the worksheet when promoted. Change the misspell of the conference to conference. So select the cell A1 and press enter. Go to the review tabs and go to the proofing groups. Click spelling and click change all and spell check complete. Go click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is enter the value in cell B6 and control enter. So copy the value and select the cell B6 and press enter. Paste the value and press enter. Use the fill handle to copy the value from a cell B6 to B12. Copy the value and next use the fill option to change the value to series. And next change the fill series. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is enter a value 225 in cell C12 and then press enter. Select the cell C12 and press enter and type the 225 and press enter. Enter the date 6/13 in cell C2 and press enter. So select the C2 and press enter and type 6/13 and press enter and clear the formatting in cell C2. Select the C2 and click the clear formatting. So next enter the date 6/13/2024 in cell C2 and control enter. So select the cell C2 and press enter and type 6/13/2024 and press enter. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is on the worksheet make in cell A1 active cell and replace all occurrence of the text amount with the text price. Close the any open dialog box. So select the cell A1 and press enter and control F, open the find and replace dialog box and find what is amount and replace with the price. Click replace all. So all done, we made 2 places. Click OK and click close. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So upload the assignments and check the score. You can see the current score is Excel chapter 1 hand on exercise 1 simulation exam. Current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.